Howdy, my YouTube friends. It's me, your old buddy Magnum. We took the Phantom up again today for just a very short flight because we had some issues, and I'm going to tell you about it as soon as we get back. So stay right there. Okay, here's what happened. I did the firmware upgrade on the Phantom a couple of days ago, and as soon as I started it up after that, I got an error message on the controller that said IMU calibration error. So that stayed on there for a little while. It finally went away and said ready to fly, so I took it up. Everything looked fine. The horizon looked level. Didn't have any issues. Brought it back down, and then that night I went ahead and calibrated the IMU again. And I thought, well, maybe that will solve it. But unfortunately, it didn't, because when I started it up again today, I got that same IMU calibration error again. But it didn't stay on the screen as long as it did the previous time. It finally went away. And then we took off. I only went up about 120 feet or so because it was a bit windy. As you'll see when I roll the footage in here, you can see the trees moving quite a bit. Anyway, I'm up there for just a short time, and I get an audible alert and a message on my controller that says high wind warning. And it said something else, but my iPhone screen is so small I couldn't read what it said. So I thought, well, I got a lawnmower over here. I hope that's not coming in to the iPhone microphone. Anyway, so I decided to descend and bring her back down. So that's what I did. And I don't know why that warning has started popping up ever since the firmware upgrade, but if someone out there knows, if there's anyone from DJI out there that might know what the issue is, if it's just a bug that's going to be resolved in a short time, let me know, because I'd kind of like to know. It's kind of irritating. So anyway, that's it for today's short video. I appreciate all the new subscribers, and I told my friend Pinto Blades out in New Mexico that I should probably be mentioning my Patreon account, my Patreon page, because I haven't mentioned it in a long time. And I do need to get Final Cut Pro 10 so I can create some more beautiful videos for you guys with the editing capabilities that I would have over iMovie. So I'll put a link to my Patreon page down in the description, and I hope you'll go over there and check it out. And just, if you can spare $1 a month, that'd be great. It's the price of a Dr. Pepper at McDonald's. Anyway, that's it for now. Until I speak with you again, and even after that, you stay focused.